to analyse the descriptive statistics for two variables. Here we have BA and BB. We go into data and we pick up data analysis. Then we go to descriptives, and we have to pick up the actual parts we're interested. So we press on the first one, and then we press Control Shift End, and that will take us to the end of the data. And you can see that the whole of the data has been selected. And then we want the summary statistics and the confidence intervals, so we can just then go ahead and press OK. And SPSS then is able to create this table for us, which has the descriptives in it. We're particularly interested in curios and the skewness.